Hello everyone, my name is Suraj and today I am presenting my project Ecom OS. Ecom OS is an AI powered e-commerce platform that helps online sellers make smarter business decisions. After logging in, users can access all the core e-commerce tools from one dashboard. The platform currently includes product research, AI listing studio, profit calculator, AI market intelligence, PDF export, and history management. Before launching a product, sellers usually need to perform market research, analyze competitors, optimize listing, calculate profitability, and develop marketing strategies using multiple tools. E-commerce combines these essential workflows into one platform, helping sellers save time and make more informed decisions with AI. The first module is product research. This feature uses Google Gemini to analyze market demand, customer behavior, competitor strategy, SEO opportunity, and overall business potential. Instead of manually researching multiple marketplaces, sellers receive a structured AI-generated report within seconds. The generated report provides quick insights into the market and also includes an AI-generated summary with recommendations. Additionally, the report can be exported as a PDF for future references. A product has been validated. The next challenge is creating optimized marketplace listing. AI Listing Studio generates SEO-optimized listings for Amazon, Flipkart, and Meesho, including titles, descriptions, keywords, positioning strategies, and marketing suggestions. This helps sellers improve visibility while reducing the time required to prepare marketplace listings. Before launching a product, it is important to understand whether it will actually be profitable. The profit calculator estimates marketplaces fees, shipping costs, expected profit margins, and provide recommendations based on the calculated profitabilities. AI Market Intelligence module analyzes competitor listing to identify strengths, weaknesses, SEO quality, conversion opportunities, and possible strategies to outperform competitors. This enables sellers to make more informed strategic decisions before entering the market. Now I will briefly explain the structure of the project. The application starts from app.py, which manages authentication, navigation, and connects all the modules together. The project follows a modular architecture where every major feature is implemented as a separate module. For example, the product research module handles AI-powered market analysis. AI Listing Studio generates optimized marketplace listing. Profit Calculator evaluates product profitability, and AI Market Intelligence analyzes competitor listings. Supporting modules handles PDF generation, AI summaries, authentication, and database operations. Google Gemini powers the AI capabilities. Streamlit is used to build the user interface. SQLite stores generated reports, and ReportLab is used for PDF generation. This modular architecture makes the application easier to maintain, extend, and scale with additional features in the future. Our vision for Ecom OS is to become an intelligent AI business assistant for e-commerce sellers. Instead of using different platforms for research, listing optimization, competitor analysis, pricing, and business planning, sellers will be able to manage their complete e-commerce workflow from one AI-powered platform. In the future, we plan to add real-time marketplace analytics, inventory insights, demand forecasting, sales prediction, supplier analysis, and deeper marketplace integrations to make Ecom OS an even more valuable decision-making tool. Ecom OS demonstrates how AI can simplify e-commerce decisions making by combining multiple intelligent tools into one easy-to-use platform. Thank you for watching our presentation.